welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicates to nation projects worth 7,000 crore rupees. Beautification of public buildings project launched in Shillong on the occasion of Swachhata Hai Seva campaign. 1010 consecration of Reverend Father Ferdinand Dakar as the new Bishop of Juai Diocese. And India bags 3 bronze medals in the ongoing Asian Games 2023 in Hangzhou. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated to the nation and laid the foundation stone for various development projects worth about 7,000 crore rupees in Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. Prime Minister dedicated Mehsana Bhatinda Gurdaspur gas pipeline, which has been built at a cost of about 4,500 crores rupees. The railway projects were dedicated to the nation by the Prime Minister, including the projects involving doubling of Chittorgarh-Nimoj railway line and Kota-Chittorgarh electrified railway line.
पूज्य बापू स्वच्छता, स्वावलंबन और सर्वस्पर्शी विकास के बहुत आग्रही थे। बीते 9 वर्षों में बापू के इन्हीं मूल्यों को देश ने बहुत अधिक विस्तार दिया है। आज चित्तौड़गढ़ में 7,200 करोड़ रुपए के जिन प्रोजेक्ट का शुभारंभ हुआ है, उसमें भी इसका प्रतिबिंब है।
Department of Urban Affairs today launched the project Beautification of Public Buildings. A cleaning drive was also organized as part of Swachhata Hai Seva campaign. Vijay Kumar D, Commissioner and Secretary, was the chief guest. With festive season round the corner, the Urban Affairs Department has taken up initiative to beautify public buildings in the Shillong city. Later, the Swachhata pledge was administered to the participants. A cleaning drive was also organized at Modpran on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Meanwhile, a program was also organized at Gandhi Buniyadi High School and cultural programs were presented.
So all these efforts have happened by the joint effort of the people. The most important, I think, thing that the Swachh Bharat mission has done is involving the people. So at every level, at the villages, we have the village water and sanitation committees. At the towns, we have the locality water and sanitation committees. So all these committees, all the individuals have come together to make this Swachh Bharat happen.
The District Administration of West Janta Hills, in collaboration with the Juai Municipal Board, Dorba Shnong Tempang Yao Mosiang, Juai Traders Association and others, carried out a cleaning drive under Swachhata Hai Seva in the market areas of Juai town today as part of the celebration of Gandhi Jayanti. The District Administration organized the cleanliness drive, and residents of Yamusiang, Musa Lingkat stakeholders, vendors and shopkeepers actively participated in cleaning the market areas. Another highlight of the event was the felicitation of the government officers for their contributions. Certificates were also distributed to participants of the Swachhata Hai Seva. The District Sports Office of South West Garo Hills today organized a 10-kilometer road run with the theme Garbage Free India. The event was not only encouraging physical fitness but also aimed to raise awareness about environmental consciousness. The event commenced at the Students' Field in Ampati, and participants of all ages from various parts of the district took part in the initiative. Deputy Commissioner R.P. Marag graced the event with emphasizing the importance of such initiatives in promoting a cleaner and healthier India.
We as an organizer, we are trying to improve the garbage free. Like people are not aware, but still we are trying to motivate them. We are trying to tell them, give awareness. With this, I think the youth of Southwest Garo are getting encouragement, and I hope I'll be conducting more such events in the future.
Thousands of believers from the Catholic churches of Shillong Archdiocese, including Nongstoin and Joai Diocese, gathered at Joai to witness the consecration of Reverend Father Ferdinand Dakar as the new Bishop of Joai Diocese. The solemn episcopal coordination ceremony was led by Most Reverend Victor Lingdor, the Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, who served as the main celebrant in the Holy Eucharistic Holy Mass at Holy Spirit Parish, Umulong. The ceremony was also attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and others.
I would like to gently remind you and pray for you that you may be, first, a man of humility and mercy to the people you serve. If my people who are called by name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sin. 2 Chronicles 7:14.
In Asian Games 2023 in Hangzhou, India bagged 3 bronze medals today. India's women and men's speed skating relay team secured 2 bronze medals, while in table tennis, India picked up a historic bronze medal in the women's doubles tournament. In badminton, India's Sai Pratik and Tanisha Castro won in straight games. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 26.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 90%, while in the evening it was 66%. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicates to nation projects worth 7,000 crores. Beautification of public buildings project launched in Shillong on the occasion of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. 1,000 attend consecration of Reverend Father Ferdinand Dakar as the new Bishop of Joai Diocese. And India bags 3 bronze medals in the ongoing Asian Games 2023 in Hangzhou. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.